What is up, everyone? Sam back here at TBR. We've been working pretty diligently. Team has been knocking out a lot of the dash removal, making sure the inside is gutted and working on that loom. Let's get a quick update. We went ahead and removed everything out of the back to make sure that we can disconnect the body harness. As you can see, it's starting to look a whole lot more empty inside. Steering column has been removed, dash has been completely removed and gutted, and you can see a lot of the connections that came into the dash, exposing a lot of the body and the ECU harness, which is still sitting on that inside point over there. Over here, we have our AC, our blowers for AC and heat, and a lot of these are just displays, as well as terminal connections for things like the lights to your radio, the dash, the tire pressure lights, a lot of different things. As you can see, we're already started on making sure we can adjust everything. One of the things that I want to check out is look at that. That is awesome. I love doing little things like this just to see where it is that it's gonna go and just kind of start getting the taste of how much more aggressive and how much sportier this is all gonna look, because you look at this and you think, oh my God, there's so much more to do. But it's things like this that it just excite you to keep going. Well, even now. All right, so goal for today is engines coming out.
Yes.
And to do that, you already took out the fan, and radiators coming out as well.
Yeah, radiator is out. It's just draining out of some of the hoses. Like this is looks like the upper, but it really sinks down here to the lower, and then the upper is right here, which comes to the same side of the radiator. It's confusing, but upper is upper, lower is lower.
And so now we're gonna work on getting out engine. There's one of the engine mounts, left-hand engine mount. Exhaust headers are gonna have to be removed to be able to get the engine out. All subsequent cabling and wiring. And then access to right engine mount is significantly tighter.
A lot of these vacuum lines are all gonna have to be removed. This is a fuel line. This is a fuel line up here that both need to come out before we pull out the motor. Just removed from the motor side.
And this is heading into the heating unit, which is what we haven't been able to take out. But now that everything's draining, we'll be able to pull that out, and all the lines that come out this way. After that, pretty much just hooking up the hoist, and actually transmission needs to be disconnected.
Yeah.